Next data set is really from Redfin. I just want to make people aware. Just go on Redfin data. It's not just they just don't have houses for sale. They have plenty of news and data that you could utilize. And here's an example. Figure go through a few charts here. It's Redfin weekly housing market data. So these are just new listings, 25, 24, 23, and 22. And you can kind of see here where we're at today, the blue, this line. Listings, you know, it, it's high. It's kind of like in line with the last few years, but nothing
Hmm.
what it was from like 22 perspective, right? So
Yeah.
not many people are putting their house for sale on the market as much as they were 3 years ago. So is what that chart's saying. So that's a one little snapshot there. Uh, they got pending sales. You can kind of see here too what that looks like each month.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost like, they list their house and if they don't get what they want, they kind of just take it off the market,
Yeah.
Yeah.
with rates being so high.
2025, 2023 through 2025 are almost mirror images of each other.
Hmm.
I wonder too, with the average age of homes, almost like 50 years, does that create an opportunity for flipping once rates come down a little bit?
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
Yeah.
There was an article Mike put out in Mighty Networks here last week about flipping being down, the with rates being higher and
yeah.
and stuff. So I think that profitability has dropped, but if rates come down, profitability will go back up.
Yeah. Here's another good one, off market in 2 weeks. So off market in 2 weeks as a percentage of pending home sales. So like how quickly the property goes pending is another way to probably say it better. You kind of
Hmm.
see here, this is where we're at now, and it's pretty low percentage of sales. And
Hmm.
we're experienced that too, right? Stuff's
Yep.
taking longer to sell. It wasn't what it was back in 22, where I mean, one and two properties you put it on the market, you basically get an offer immediately, and that's kind
Yeah.
of what this chart here is showing in the spring market. So. Um, this chart feels right, just based on our experience where things don't fly off the shelf like they did back in 22, 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Home sold. Again, the last 3 years of 23, 24, and 25, it's just mirror image of themselves from a
Yeah.
housing market perspective. And then let's look at this one, days to close. Again, not shocking here, going back 3 years to 22, totally different market. Stuff was coming off real quickly.
Yeah.
Median days to close. I mean, like this must have been cash buyers, 22 days at the low point. Whereas today, again, it's kind of in line with what we're seeing the last few years, elevated on how fast some of these things go to close. Uh, Age of inventory. Let's take a look at this one. Again, a lot of cool data here on Redfin. Age of inventory,
Older homes going on now. Is that
yeah.
right? Yeah. The older homes are being sold. Hmm. That's
Actually,
interesting
I think this
data.
this one, Paul, age of inventory is it how long it's
Oh, okay.
been
Yeah.
on the
Yeah. Maybe
market,
that's what it is.
I
Yep.
think. So most stuff
4 weeks. I
a
see it
month.
there. Okay.
Yeah, basically most stuff didn't last a month a few years ago back in 22. Now we're talking close to 50 to 60 days,
Yeah.
depending on time of year.
Yeah.
And obviously towards the holidays, year end, it goes out to 70 days.
Yeah. It makes sense.
Yeah. Average sale to list. This is basically saying 1.0, anything over this bar here, which again, this is a 22 market. If you set your list price at 300, it was going higher than 300, essentially. This is what this
Yeah.
is saying. Whereas now here, stuff
Going
is
below.
a little below. And it's not great. It's just 2 percentage points off, 1 percentage
Yeah.
points off. So nothing drastic, but if you have a good agent and they know how to set the price, you should be pretty close to this average.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's anything else. This is Redfin monthly housing market data. I guess it's
By city.
by
You got
city.
Boston, Chicago, Philly, Los Angeles, Seattle, and Washington. Yeah.
Yep. You get inventories. Take a look at that one.
Hmm.
This is tough to do because you could probably get a undo national. See if we do that somehow. Exclude. Yeah, and obviously
There
there's
you go.
just showing some major metros here, but you could kind of see like um, homes for sale and how much inventory is out there by different region. So just another tool to play around with.
Hmm.
And this is existing home sales. They have their own Redfin home price index and other things out there. So just want to show folks just what other data out there that you can play around with from a national and a little bit of a local perspective.